Hey, imagine this. You're standing in a store faced with a sea of iPhones. Your hands hover over the latest models, but that price tag is staring right back at you. What if you didn't need to shell out all your savings to get a premium iPhone? What if you could get top-notch performance, stunning cameras, and long-lasting battery without the heavy price tag? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'll show you 3 of the best budget iPhones that give you all the power and features of their flagship counterparts, but without breaking the bank. Stick around because your next iPhone might just be one of these hidden gems. Number 1 is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's start with iPhone 12 Pro Max. You might think it's an older model, but this phone still packs a punch. Priced now around $650 to $750 on most refurbished sites or in some retail stores, the iPhone 12 Pro Max brings serious value. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display gives you amazing clarity, whether you're gaming, binge-watching, or editing photos. Speaking of photos, the triple camera system is no joke. With the LiDAR scanner, low-light photography gets a serious upgrade, perfect for capturing those evening shots with friends. Performance, the A14 Bionic chip still holds its ground in 2024, running even heavy apps and games without a hiccup. And if battery life is a concern, the 12 Pro Max offers up to 20 hours of video playback, easily getting you through the day. For the price, it's one of the best ways to get a pro experience on a budget No. 2. iPhone 13 Pro Max. Next up, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This beauty comes in at about $850 to $950, making it a fantastic option if you're willing to spend just a little more for some key upgrades. What do you get for the extra cash? Well, the 120Hz ProMotion display is buttery smooth, giving you seamless scrolling and a fantastic experience in apps and games. The A15 Bionic chip under the hood is a powerhouse, ensuring blazing fast performance. This is the phone for someone who needs a little extra oomph, whether you're multitasking or editing videos. Now let's talk about the cameras. The triple camera system here includes sensor shift optical image stabilization, which means your photos and videos are always sharp and clear, even when you're on the move. The battery life on this beast? Up to 28 hours of video playback, so no need to stress about running out of juice during the day. If you're after a little more future-proofing, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is where it's at. Number 03, iPhone 14, standard model. Finally, at number 3, we have the iPhone 14. Now, this isn't the Pro model, but it's still a fantastic deal if you're looking to stay within a tighter budget, coming in at around $700 to $800 depending on storage options. What do you get with the iPhone 14? A 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, powered by the A15 Bionic chip. Yup, the same one from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's plenty fast for any task, whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing. The dual camera system still holds its own, offering incredible photo quality, especially with features like night mode. The battery life is solid, with up to 20 hours of video playback. The iPhone 14 is a great all-rounder for anyone who wants the latest model feel, but without the premium price. Whether it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max for its camera and display, the iPhone 13 Pro Max for its smooth performance, or the iPhone 14 for a well-rounded deal, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite budget iPhone? See you in the next video.